All right. Round 3, but the 6th one for the bike thing here, sequence you're seeing here. 17th day of August. If I keep going straight, going to my sister's house. My brother biked out here. Let me see. Let me see. This way I think it is, yeah. I think it is. A little bumpy. Hang on the camera. There we go. Around the corner. Yeah. There we go. I think it ends, come up pretty soon, so. U of M, River Parkway. All right. This is, what street is this now? I don't know. So we are trying Miha. That's Miha Avenue. That's what that is. You can tell people stripping stuff. All the wires out of here. It's a shame. So they strip them all. Why bother? You know, all the lights. Shame. Perfect. Yep, the old Greenway bike trail. I think I've been bike riding for like about, I don't know, hour and a half maybe. Going across 27th Avenue. So you can tell trains used to come along here and drop off there on the doors. Tasty Light Supply. Huh. So this will go down the Muddy Mo up here. I've done some videos down here. You can bike down the old Muddy Mo. West River Bikeway. Someone left some boots behind. She didn't look where she was going. She looked up the last second, kind of like, oh, I better get off my side. Yeah, girl. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's a shame is they've took all the wires out of the lights, so you can't come out for a nice walk in the evening. It's too bad. But people love to steal this stuff. Well, if it clicks off, we did the whole thing pretty much. But you go to your right, yeah, up here is the river where they would connect with the railroad tracks and cross the river. It'd be so nice, but they won't let them do it. It's too bad. Someone had the money to do the connection, pay for it, make it safe. You connect with St. Paul, and so right to my right here is East River, I think it is. Yeah, it's too bad. West River Parkway, we're getting to the end here, guys. When will we dance? Who knows? Oh, the rain was kind of nice. Oh my goodness. Yep, and here comes the end, guys. This is the old Mighty Mo, and unfortunately, this is where the bad boy ends, the railroad track. They won't let them do a connection to it, like to the right of it, which they could do. Someone needs some money to say, hey, listen, we'll pay for it. Let's connect it. Yep, bridge in the Mississippi. Oh. So there it is, you guys. Got it all on one camera. So hope you enjoyed it. Had a good time. Went out and did a little bike ride. We're gonna go down the old Mighty Mo, and we'll go down there, and we'll. I did a video for the other channel. Have her drop me off down there in the East River Flats. So it is what it is, man. It's too bad they won't let us. They won't. There's a bridge. They would connect it to the other side, and you get into St. Paul. It's a shame. So with money, but anyways, guys. Bridge in the Mississippi. There it is, right there. So anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one, okay?